Right, you might hear some kids outside. Anyways, if you're looking for a compact mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, the AKKO FUN68 might have caught your attention. And AKKO sent this keyboard over for a review, but they asked for an honest opinion. And that's exactly what you're getting. So if you're considering buying the FUN68, this video should help you decide. Inside the box you get the AKKO FUN68 keyboard, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a keycap puller tool for customization, and the usual paperwork. Nothing fancy, but everything you need to get started. The first thing I noticed when holding the FUN68 is that it feels more budget-friendly compared to something like the AKKO Mix 87. It feels lighter, less premium, and more plasticky overall. That doesn't automatically make it a bad keyboard or anything, it's simply something you notice right away. On the positive side, the keyboard includes adjustable feet at the back, allowing you to tilt it for a more comfortable typing angle. And I actually prefer typing with that slight incline. One design detail I really like is the stealth look. The keycaps are blacked out and the letters are printed on the front rather than the top. This gives it a clean, minimal aesthetic, and when the LEDs turn on, the lighting really pops. The RGB lighting isn't over the top, but it adds a nice touch. And here are the key specs of the AKKO FUN68. 65% compact layout, wired USB-C connection, mechanical switches, hot-swappable switch support, RGB backlighting, ABS keycaps with front printed legends, adjustable tilt feet, compatible with Windows and macOS. This layout gives you arrow keys and essential controls while keeping a compact footprint. Typing on the FUN68 feels responsive and quick. The tilted angle definitely helps me type faster and more comfortably. However, the sound profile is something you should be aware of. This keyboard produces a louder, harder sound when typing. And personally, I'm not a big fan of that sharper tone. Compared to the Mix 87, the sound here feels more hollow and less refined. But sound is subjective. You might actually enjoy the more pronounced feedback. For some people, that crisp mechanical sound is part of the appeal. In daily use, the FUN68 performs reliably. Key presses register quickly, and the keyboard feels responsive enough for both typing and general productivity. It simply gets the job done. And here are the things that I like and don't like. So what I like is the clean stealth design, compact layout with arrow keys, adjustable tilt for better ergonomics, RGB lighting adds character, responsive typing experience, hot swappable switches, and the things that, what could be better it feels less premium than higher end AKKO boards, sound profile is loud and hard, lightweight build may not feel as solid. The AKKO FUN68 is ideal for people wanting a compact mechanical keyboard, budget-conscious buyers, users who enjoy customizing switches and keycaps, minimal desk setup enthusiasts, and if you're chasing premium materials and a refined sound profile, you might want to look at higher-end models. Right guys, the AKKO FUN68 is a straightforward, budget-friendly and mechanical keyboard with a clean design and solid functionality. It may not feel premium and the sound won't be for everyone, but it's responsive, customizable and gets the job done. And at its price point, that might be exactly what many people are looking for. If this video helped you decide, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what keyboard you're currently using. And if you want more honest tech reviews like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy, good luck.